Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my apple pie crescent roll-ups. So let's get started. I have 1 can of apple pie filling, which is a 21-ounce can. I picked up the 2-pack of the crescent rolls. I have my oven on 350, so now I'll open up the rolls. So I opened up 1 package of the crescent rolls. I separated them. I'll open up my can of apple pie filling, and then I'll put some apple pie filling on top, put another crescent roll on top of that. So I opened up my can of apple pie filling. What I'm going to do is flatten this out a little bit. Now I'll put some of the apples on top. Kind of stay away from the edges. I'll put a little bit of the apple pie spice. Now I flattened out this one. I'll place it on top. And then pinch the sides. I'm rolling it up. Once it's all pinched together, because you don't want the apples to pour out, I'll place it onto my baking sheet. So I have it on my baking pan. While it's on my baking pan, what I'm going to do is sprinkle some sugar on top and continue on with the rest. I'll sprinkle a little of the apple pie spice on top. Now I'll take the second crescent, pinch it on, yeah, that looks good. And now I'll place this on my baking pan. So you can see that package of 8 only made 4. So now I'll sprinkle some sugar on top. I'll place these in the oven. I placed them on an ungreased cookie sheet, and you'll bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes or until nice and golden brown. So now I'll start on the second package. So I opened up the second package. Now I'll unroll it. And just separate them. I'm cutting them where it's already perforated. And I'll continue on with the rest. And you want to flatten out the wide end. Now I'll place some apples on top. If need be, just cut some of the apples in half if they're too large. That'll do it. Once the apples are on, that's when you want to just sprinkle a little of the apple pie spice. Now I'll take another strip, kind of flatten that one out as well. Place it on top and just curl up the ends. Yeah, that looks good. Now I'll place this on my ungreased cookie sheet. Once it's on your ungreased cookie sheet, just sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. And I'll continue on with the rest. Apple pie spice. Take your second crescent, flatten that out, and place it on top. And pinch up the sides. And roll up the tip. Now that the sides are all pinched up and the tip is rolled, I'll place this on my ungreased cookie sheet. Place a little sugar on top. Now I'm down to my last crescent roll. And the 2 packages made 8. You want to keep it away from the edges as best as you can. Apple pie spice. I just sprinkle a little on. Take the last crescent, flatten it out, and place it right on top. And then pinch up the sides. Now I'll place a little bit of sugar on top of that one. And into the oven they go for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. I have my oven on 350. I'll check on them. Ooh, they're looking good. Few more minutes. It's time to take them out of the oven. Yeah, that looks good. Look at how good they came out. I'll let them cool for a few minutes and then I'll give them a try. So now that they cooled off a little bit, I'll take one, give it a try. That looks good. That really tastes good. These apple pie crescent roll-ups taste really good. I bet you if you put blueberry in here too, it'll taste great. So you can make blueberry ones. And I made the apple pie. I'm going to take another bite. Really, really good. And this was quick and easy to make. Look at the apple pie in there. So if you're looking for a quick, easy dessert, or even a breakfast treat, this is really good, quick and easy to make.